Yeah, it's a Chevy Volt.
So what are you doing at a gas station?
Well, it still takes gas to go farther.
Oh, you're not getting gas.
True, not this time. Don't have to gas up very often.
So you have to go to the back.
No?
You do.
But these are electric.
Yes, it's a Chevy Volt.
What do you do at a gas station?
Hey, big dog. Listen, son, your 20s, gosh, they can be such a magical time.
Like if the neighbor State Farm is there. Hey, you should get my car insurance super easy to understand. What are we talking about?
Well, like if the neighbor State Farm is there. Looking for.
Like just right.
I told you.